Okay guys, so this is the drive shaft, or half of it, out of a 2003 Dodge Ram 3500 dually, diesel dually. So problem we had, carrier bearing went out. We were driving and it was making a rotational noise that bang, 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 and the faster you went, the faster that noise was. So what we've done, we've pulled the drive shafts out. We got the original carrier bearing off, which is not fun. We ended up using a whiz wheel and a torch and a hammer and a chisel basically to tap it off. But it took us a while, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. But something important that I thought you guys might need to know: when you buy a new one, give me that box, precision box. We got it from O'Reilly Auto Parts. There's two different sizes. The one that we have is the larger size. It's part number 6093. Can you see me in this camera? It's off. Okay. So, Precision is the brand. It's part number 6093. Okay? 6093. It is the larger of the two. I believe it's, what was it? 1.57, something like that, and the other one's 1.3 something. So this is the larger one. This is it right here. What you need to know is there's two sides to this, okay? You'll see a shiny metal side here. This goes towards the splines. The back side has a black section, okay? It's black. Looks just like this, but black. Alright? That goes to the rear, right here, okay? That's the orientation of this. You need to know that, otherwise you could do it wrong. The other thing, this guy here slides on. Once this gets tapped down, this will go in, and then there's a boot on the other drive shaft, and it'll all go back together. But what I wanted to show you is this goes like this, and the metal part goes here, metal to metal, okay? That's how you want to do it, all right? That's the deal. So, orientation matters. I think I've watched 10 or 12 videos now on this. Nobody really talks about that. It could go either way. I don't know that for a fact, but what I do know is that 3 of the videos I watched, that you could actually see this here, this is how they put it on, and it's working for them. So that's what I'm going with, and that's what I want to show you.